birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Haseeba. Happy birthday to you.
Hello, this is Marty DEGARMO from New Jersey in the USA. Happy birthday, Haseeba. Have a great day.
Hi, I'm Susie McCrea from Massachusetts in the United States. Happy birthday, Haseeba.
Hello, this is Peter Surur from Detroit, Michigan. I want to wish you, Miss Haseeba, a wonderful and blessed day on your birthday, and always thank you for your gift to all of us and the wonderful person called أشرف مفرح. كل سنة وانت طيبة أم أشرف، عقبال 1000 سنة ودايما بالصحة والعافية.
Hello, my name is Julie Nguyen. I am in Southern California, USA. I would like to wish you a very happy birthday. I do wish you health, wealth, and peace. Chúc mừng sinh nhật bà Omar Araf. Chúc bà được mạnh khỏe, vui vẻ và lúc nào cũng được bình an.
Hello, my name's Darrell Cook from New York State in the United States. And I would just like to thank you for your gift of ash to us, and happy birthday, Haseeba.
Hello, my name is Chris Johnson. I'm from Michigan, United States. I would love to wish you a very wonderful happy birthday, Miss Haseeba. God bless you and your wonderful family.
Hello, I'm Charles Osang from the United States. I would love to wish you a very happy birthday, Omar Ashraf. Et je vous souhaite une bonne, joyeuse anniversaire.
Hello, we are Jane and Richard Redfern from the UK. A very happy birthday, Haseeba, on this special day. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
This is Dan Street in Colorado, USA. Happy birthday, Haseeba, and many more. God bless you.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. محمد كمال، مصري مقيم في الإمارات. هابي بيرثداي حاجة أم أشرف. ربنا يطرح فيكي الخير والبركة. كل سنة وحضرتك طيبة وتكوني بالخير والصحة والسلامة والعافية دايما حاجة أم أشرف.
Hi, this is Antje Hahn from Frankfurt, Germany. I wish you a happy birthday. Alles Liebe zum Geburtstag.
Milo from Nashville, Tennessee. Happy birthday, Haseeba. I hope your day is as awesome as you are, and thank you for your wonderful gift to us. Happy birthday, Haseeba.
This is Michael Williams-Aim, a proud Gold founder, and on behalf of all founders from Canada, happy birthday, Ashraf. Assalamu alaikum.
Hello, this is Robin Noble from Toronto, Canada. Aïd Mila Saïd Omar Ashraf. Bon anniversaire, happy birthday, and we wish you many, many more years in good health and happiness.
On behalf of Timmy Johnson and his family, he cannot speak today. He wanted to say happy birthday to you, Haseeba.
For Mr. Bill Musk today, happy, wonderful birthday from Bill. He adores you and he wishes you many, many blessings throughout your life.